Welcome, Captain. Today, we'll practice safe navigation in coastal waters. Our route starts at Greifswald City Harbour and we'll leave the bottom towards the open sea. Our pilot boat Dolphin has a draft of around 2 meters. You can find this information in the boat selection screen of the main menu or by opening the ship panel of your vessel. Before departure, open the navigation chart and familiarize yourself with the available water depths along your planned route. Keep in mind that charted depths are only approximate and may vary, even on a daily basis. The built-in chart system uses different shades of blue to represent varying water depths, while small numbers at the edges of the color zones indicate the depth readings. Also take note of available sea marks, such as buoys, lighthouses, and beacons, that will guide you safely. In our case, there is a beacon about 1,000 meters to the south, marking the safe waterway towards the open sea. We will use this beacon later in the exercise. Let's get started. Command slow ahead and leave the harbor entry. The harbour entrance is marked by a pair of buoys. Their colour indicates on which side they must be passed. Since we are located in Europe, the ALA system applies. Red buoys must be kept on your starboard side when heading out to sea. Navigate carefully through the entry buoys. Now, turn to port and locate the next pair of buoys in the north. Maintain a straight line between the buoys you just passed and the next pair to avoid running aground. Proceed slowly, steering towards the buoys. It is time to make use of the southern beacon. By now, it should be visible above the buildings of the village Eldina, just behind your ship. The beacon works as a leading light. It shows red if you are too far to starboard, and green if you are too far to port. Your goal is to stay between these two states at all times, ensuring a safe course. Despite electronic aids, the most important tool remains your own eyes. Always keep a proper lookout to detect obstacles or other vessels as early as possible. You might already have noticed the rock directly ahead. When passing, always keep a safe distance to avoid damage. Combine your lookout with the sonar to verify you are in safe waters. Let's talk about the sonar or echo sounder system. By default, the advanced sonar is active. For higher realism, you can switch to a standard echo sounder in the gameplay settings. On the sonar display, the area in front of your vessel is shown. Dark red zones indicate shallow waters where your draft is insufficient. Colors gradually shift with increasing depth. You can also adjust the sonar's range, warning depth, and alert distance. To get familiar with your sonar system, cycle now through the different range settings. As you can see on the range markings, there is a maximum distance of 400 meters in front of the ship visible. Try changing the alert depth. The sonar display will start blinking to warn you. Last but not least, you can set the distance in front of the ship at which the alert depth is monitored. You completed the tutorial navigating through coastal waters. Well done, Captain. Keep practicing safe navigation by combining your instruments with visual awareness, always staying alert to your surroundings and potential hazards. Nautic XP. Feel the waves, get the experience.